What's up, girls? What are you guys waiting for? You guys want food? We'll get the food now. We'll go get the food now. We celebrating today. We're celebrating today. Who are we celebrating? Who are we celebrating? She's a little shy, guys, because there's people here.
Yeah, 26 is the week.
Yeah, we made sure to get the toddler the coloring crayons, you know?
Do I get a discount on my food too?
No, you're expensive, actually. Hey, good job, baby. You figured it out, mommy. Good job. Close your mouth, baby. Your mouth is watering. And we got some onion rings and then my chicken tenders. Yep. We're that couple, guys. We're that couple.
You're so extra. I'm not even doing all of that.
Sure, with your stink ass hands.
They don't even look this good in the picture.
Yeah, for real. They look way better than they do in the picture. What, butter?
Ew. I'm dipping my seafood there.
Uh-huh.
You just grossed me out.
What do you mean gross you out?
You did. Why are you dipping this? No, that's oil.
Chicken. That's butter. It literally tastes like butter, garlic butter.
So, look at the claw. Cool.
Oh. Babe.
¿Te cayó?
Yeah. Oh, stop splashing that shit on me. Something just dripped on me, bro. Something just dripped on me, bro. I don't know what.
Water.
That looks like a big ass shrimp.
Lobster.
It's lobster. Yellow green market, baby.
Oh, yellow green market. I always call it yellow market. Oh, it's the weather. Yeah, there's some construction next to it.
Yeah, it's a little rainy out
I'm the
here, but-
cameraman today.
Oh, you're the cameraman? Finally, you're recording something.
You have to be so sarcastic. I'm about to be done. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to eat.
George found his spot.
Oh my god. I got the food. I got the package, guys. I got a little cachapa with some picanha, guys. Some blood sausage. Is it good?
Delicious. I'm eating your meat though.
Oh, you're eating my meat? Some natural juices, okay. Some cane water.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. For all you guys. Some tortas pounder. I got some fire ass juices. Like right there. I got my mango and she got her cane water juice. Babe, they can't see me, bro. Look, show the place, baby, not just us. Look at that. Right there. We got some fire ass juices, guys.
You can't see me now. What are you drinking? Let me see.
Presidente beer. Yo, I forgot to record the whole process, but I just made a fire ass sandwich, guys. Look at this shit. I made that fucking churrasco. And then we put in the bread with the garlic butter, some mayo, some pesto on it with some of this tomato and cheese on top. And then, wow. Look at this. Damn. It's bigger than your face, baby. And now I'm gonna cut it.
Yeah.
Nice little squeeze there. That's a big ass sandwich, actually. It's a big ass sandwich, bro. I'm here with my baby sis, guys.
Corre, vale, corre, vale, corre, vale, corre, vale.
So guys, we came to a place called Citadel to bring my dad for Father's Day. It's an awesome looking place so far. It's like a big bougie food court. Look at this.
Oye, me dio una clase de cosas.
What did you get, babe?
I got a burger.
Let me see.
You know, I don't really eat much of these, so I have to like.
You don't?
No, I don't eat burgers that much. So I gotta, you know, I have to eat more burgers now. So I decided to get a burger. I don't eat much of these. You know, I don't eat I don't eat this that much either. So this is like a long time that I haven't eaten the other stuff right here.
You're such a liar.
So we're eating this stuff now, guys, because you know we've been like away from this stuff. This is angry ass face from getting what you want. What's going on here, baby? Let's talk to me. Talk to me. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna do it slowly, so you can see. So you're getting what you want, but look at this face,
It's a resting bitch face.
bro. Why are you so angry, girl? You're getting what you want.